Did tomorrow already happen? An intriguing question, isn't it? Welcome to the Enigma of Time, a concept so woven into our lives that it seems impossible to question. Yet, physicists have done just that, daring to suggest that time, as we understand it, might be an illusion. This radical idea draws from Einstein's theories, which show that time is relative, not absolute. It can stretch or shrink, influenced by factors such as speed and gravity. But the plot thickens with quantum mechanics, sending our understanding of time into a tailspin. Some theories within this realm go as far as to omit time altogether, leaving us grappling with a reality that defies our everyday experiences. In this intricate dance between science and philosophy, a question emerges. If time is such a slippery concept, then why do we humans continue to live by its constructs? One reason we might perceive time as real is due to something called the arrow of time. This concept is deeply intertwined with the law of entropy, which is essentially the natural tendency for things to move from a state of order to one of disorder. Think about it for a second. If you spill a cup of coffee, the liquid will scatter, creating a disorderly mess, right? That's entropy at work. And in our daily lives, we see this progression from order to disorder everywhere, which is why we perceive time as moving forward, always in one direction, hence the term arrow. The arrow of time is like an invisible compass guiding our perception of time. It's a one-way street leading us from the past through the present and into the future. It's the reason we remember yesterday but not tomorrow. But here's the catch. This arrow, this sense of direction, it's not something that's written into the fundamental laws of physics. It's a macroscopic phenomenon arising from the collective behavior of countless particles. Curiously, when we delve into the quantum realm, things get even more interesting. The arrow of time seems to lose its bow. Particles at the quantum level don't seem to care about the direction of time. They can move backwards, forwards, even sideways in time. And this is where our understanding of time starts to blur. This leads us to an intriguing thought. Could our attachment to the concept of time be influenced by our perception of the arrow of time? After all, we base this perception on macroscopic phenomena, things we can observe in our day-to-day lives. But if the arrow of time doesn't hold in the quantum realm, then perhaps our perception of time isn't as solid as we once thought. But does this arrow of time really prove that time exists, or is it just another illusion? Let's delve deeper into the illusion. If time doesn't exist, then what about tomorrow? Think about it. We live our lives in the constant pursuit of tomorrow. But how does tomorrow fit into this illusionary concept of time? If time, as we understand it, is merely a construct, then it's entirely possible that tomorrow has already happened. Yes, you heard it right, but how can that be? Einstein's theories of relativity suggest that time can bend and stretch based on the speed and gravity. This means that time isn't universal. It can differ based on where you are and how fast you're moving. So in theory, tomorrow could already be happening somewhere else in the universe, while you're still stuck in today. Quantum mechanics throws another spanner in the works. Some quantum theories completely omit the concept of time. In these theories, there's no yesterday, today, or tomorrow. There's just a constant state of now. This could mean that tomorrow isn't something that's going to happen. It's something that's already here, just waiting for us to catch up. These ideas turn our understanding of past, present, and future on its head. If tomorrow has already happened, then what does that mean for our perception of the future? Is the future just an illusion like time itself? And if so, where does that leave us in the grand scheme of things? These are big questions with no easy answers, but that's the beauty of exploring the unknown. It challenges us to rethink our understanding of the world around us and pushes the boundaries of our knowledge. So the next time someone asks you what you're doing tomorrow, you might just want to say, "It's already happened."